Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the SASH for 16 years old birthday. And then I guess it's the pack up balloon. So anyway, let's go and then open this up and then see what we got here. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. Purchased with our own money. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm not sure what's this. This one seems like a poster, so. Oh. I guess my wife, she purchased more of this artwork. So the artwork is made out of like fruits and then vegetable, mint leaves. Not sure that's grapefruit, strawberries, and some leaves. The pink roses. So this is not part of the birthday party stuff, so this is it. So this is the balloon kit. It says happy birthday 13. Inspire a smile balloon made in China. And then they come with this double-sided tape. By the way, this tape doesn't stick too well. And some of the silver or chrome string. Some of the glitter. Let's see what it is there. Oh, these are the string to tie the balloon right here. Okay, let's go and then check out this one. This one is the birthday sash. Wow, even come with Tiara. Oh, this is nice. pretty heavy. It's not plastic, like a metal. Wow, look at those, bling bling, 16. Got the big pin right here. Whoa. Be careful, don't get stabbed. I believe this is, I'm not sure if this is for the cake or probably for the cake. And it says sweet 16. It's like a rose gold. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.